What if I told you that ordinary people are turning their garages into mini factories? And some of these setups can make over $1,000 a day. No giant warehouse, no employees, just one small machine, a table, and a little creativity. In this video, I'll show you 20 small factories you can run from home. Machines that can turn simple ideas into real products people buy every single day. Let's dive in. But before diving in, if you want the machine's URL that we've covered in this video, comment "send URLs" and I'll send it over to you. Number 20, premium candle manufacturing. The candle industry generates over $3 billion annually in the United States alone. And here's the kicker. 65% of sales happen year-round, not just during holidays. Starting your candle factory requires basic wax melting equipment, quality molds, wicks, and premium fragrances. The process is beautifully simple. Melt your wax, blend in your signature scents and colors, pour into containers, and let them set. What separates successful candle makers from hobbyists is understanding that fragrance drives purchasing decisions above everything else. Focus on creating unique scent profiles that tell a story, and you've got a product people will pay premium prices for. 3D printing service. The global 3D printing market is exploding toward $32 billion by 2025, creating massive opportunities for home-based printing services. With a reliable desktop printer, you become the go-to solution for inventors, hobbyists, and small businesses needing custom parts or prototypes. Your equipment investment includes a quality FDM or resin printer, various printing materials, and design software access. Customers send you their designs for everything from replacement appliance parts to custom figurines. The beauty of this business is its scalability. You can operate multiple printers simultaneously, creating a true mini-factory atmosphere. Custom phone case manufacturing. The smartphone accessories market hit $25 billion globally in 2024, with custom cases leading the charge. Setting up your phone case factory requires blank case inventory for popular phone models, printing equipment like sublimation machines or UV printers, and design software. You can use heat transfer methods to apply custom graphics, photos, or text onto cases, or invest in direct printing technology for premium results. The secret is targeting underserved niches, local school logos, family photos, profession-specific designs, or trending memes. New phone releases create constant demand for fresh case designs. Focus on durability by using UV-resistant inks and proper sealing techniques for lasting customer satisfaction. Organic pet treat manufacturing. Pet owners are spending over $7 billion annually on treats, with organic and natural options commanding premium prices. Your pet treat factory starts in your kitchen with quality. Ovens or food dehydrators, mixing equipment, and packaging materials. Create recipes using wholesome ingredients like oat flour, peanut butter, and pumpkin while avoiding harmful additives. Baked dog biscuits and dehydrated meat treats are excellent starting points. Research your state's pet food regulations. Many allow home production with simple registration requirements. Package your treats in attractive, resealable containers with clear ingredient labels. Target local pet boutiques, farmers markets, and online communities where pet parents actively seek healthy alternatives. Custom t-shirt printing. The personalized apparel market continues growing rapidly, driven by demand for unique clothing and custom event merchandise. Your t-shirt factory requires heat press equipment, transfer materials or vinyl cutters, blank shirt inventory, and basic design capabilities. Heat transfer vinyl offers durability and professional appearance, while sublimation printing provides vibrant, permanent designs. Screen printing becomes viable for larger orders with consistent designs. Target local groups like sports teams, schools, family reunions, and small businesses needing promotional merchandise. The key is delivering quality prints that survive multiple washes while maintaining vibrant colors. Build relationships with event planners and local organizations for ongoing revenue streams. Sock manufacturing. The novelty sock market reached $4.5 billion in 2024 and is projected to exceed $7 billion by 2033. Modern consumers want personalized faces, funny patterns, and themed designs on their socks. You can approach this through compact, circular knitting machines for creating socks from yarn, or by purchasing plain socks and adding custom designs through dye sublimation printing. Face socks, pet portraits, and profession-themed designs sell exceptionally well online. The printing route requires sublimation equipment and polyester sock blanks, while knitting demands yarn inventory and pattern development skills. Focus on unique designs that create conversation pieces. Quality materials and comfortable fits ensure repeat customers in this growing market. Eco-friendly bag production. With plastic bag bans spreading nationwide, the reusable bag market reached $12 billion in 2025, growing 8% annually. Your bag factory needs industrial sewing equipment, sustainable fabric sources like organic cotton or recycled polyester, and cutting tools for consistent production. Start with simple tote bag patterns using 2 rectangles and sturdy handles, then expand to specialized designs. Combine sewing skills with printing capabilities to add custom graphics or business logos. Market the environmental benefits heavily. These bags replace thousands of plastic bags over their lifetime. Target eco-conscious consumers and local businesses wanting branded reusable bags for their customers and promotional events. Planter manufacturing. With 66% of American households owning houseplants, the planter market is thriving. Your manufacturing options include wooden planters using basic woodworking tools, concrete planters with molds and cement mixers, or upcycled containers transformed into unique growing vessels. Wooden planters appeal to rustic and eco-friendly markets, while concrete offers modern geometric designs perfect for succulents. Focus on what makes your planters special: drainage systems, water retention features, or artistic designs. Reclaimed wood adds environmental appeal and unique character to each piece. Concrete work requires proper ventilation and disposal considerations. Market through plant shops, craft fairs, and online platforms, emphasizing functionality and aesthetic appeal. Custom label manufacturing. Small businesses and event planners constantly need custom labels, creating opportunities in the $50 billion professional printing industry where small orders get overlooked. Your label factory requires high-resolution printers, various label materials, design software, and possibly vinyl cutting equipment for custom shapes. Serve local makers, bakeries, event planners, and small businesses needing professional-looking labels in small quantities. Wedding favors, farmers market products, and handmade goods all need attractive labeling. Offer services like waterproof labels, custom shapes, and rush orders that big print shops won't handle. Focus on quality and precision. Smudged or misaligned labels reflect poorly on your clients' businesses and reputation. Injection molding small parts. Desktop injection molding machines now cost under $400, bringing professional manufacturing capabilities to home workshops. Combined with 3D printing for mold creation, you can produce small plastic parts like custom knobs, clips, replacement widgets, and toy components. The setup requires the injection molding machine, plastic pellets, and mold-making capabilities through 3D printing or machining. This technology bridges the gap between one-off 3D prints and mass production, perfect for short runs of functional parts. Target inventors needing prototypes, hobbyists requiring specific components, or locals needing discontinued replacement parts. Ultrasonic welding assembly. Ultrasonic welding uses high-frequency vibrations to fuse materials instantly without adhesives or fasteners, serving specialized manufacturing needs. Your setup requires a benchtop ultrasonic welder, appropriate fixtures, and various horn attachments for different applications. This technology excels at joining plastic enclosures, sealing non-woven fabrics, and creating strong bonds in medical devices or electronics. Market to local manufacturers, inventors, and product developers needing small-scale assembly services. The welding process creates hermetic seals, perfect for protective cases or waterproof enclosures. This is specialized service commands premium pricing due to limited competition and technical expertise required. Snack dehydrator manufacturing. The healthy snacks market hit $95 billion in 2023, growing as consumers seek preservative-free alternatives to processed foods. Your dehydrator factory produces gourmet dried fruits, vegetable chips, and specialty jerky using food dehydration equipment. Create apple chips, mango slices, kale chips, and custom seasoned vegetables that appeal to health-conscious consumers. Partner with local farms for premium produce at wholesale prices. The process involves slicing, seasoning, dehydrating overnight, and packaging in moisture-proof containers. Check cottage food laws in your state. Many allow dried fruit production from home kitchens. Focus on unique flavor combinations and premium packaging that commands higher prices in health food markets. Spice grinding operations. The global spices and seasonings market reaches $29 billion, with consumers increasingly seeking fresh ground artisanal blends over stale store-bought options. Your spice grinding factory requires heavy-duty spice grinders, fine sieves for consistent powder texture, precision scales for accurate blending, and airtight storage containers. Source high-quality whole spices in bulk, then roast and grind them to order for maximum freshness and potency. Create signature blends like custom curry powders, barbecue rubs, or seasonal spice mixes that tell unique flavor stories. The aroma alone draws customers at farmers markets. Focus on cultural cuisines underserved in your area, offering authentic spice blends that local restaurants and home cooks can't find elsewhere. Quilting machine services. With 9 to 11 million active quilters in the United States, there's massive demand for professional quilting services. Many hobby quilters create beautiful quilt tops, but lack the equipment or time for final quilting. Your long-arm quilting machine setup becomes their solution. These specialized machines guide over large quilt sandwiches, creating intricate stitching patterns that transform patchwork into finished quilts. Offer services like custom quilting, memory quilts from t-shirts or baby clothes, and complete quilt creation from scratch. Market through fabric stores, quilting groups, and online forums where quilters actively seek reliable finishing services. Build relationships in the quilting community for steady referrals and repeat business from collectors and gift makers. Screen printing operations. The custom screen printing market reached $5.5 billion in 2024, driven by demand for custom apparel, promotional items, and artistic prints. Your screen printing factory requires screens, squeegees, inks, and curing equipment in a well-ventilated workspace. The process involves creating photo-emulsion stencils, pushing ink through screens onto substrates, and heat curing for durability. Start with water-based inks for easier home use and environmental friendliness. Target local bands, sports teams, businesses, and events needing custom merchandise in quantities too small for large print shops. Screen printing offers superior durability and vibrant colors compared to digital alternatives, especially for bold graphics and limited color designs that showcase your artistic capabilities. Metal spinning workshop. Metal spinning transforms flat metal discs into three-dimensional shapes like bowls, lampshades, and industrial components using specialized lathes and forming tools. This traditional craft serves niche markets overlooked by mass production, from custom automotive parts to artisanal home decor. Your workshop requires a metal spinning lathe, forming tools, safety equipment, and various metal sheets like aluminum, copper, or brass. The process involves spinning metal discs at high speed while gradually forming them over mandrels with handheld tools. Market to custom car enthusiasts, lighting designers, and industrial clients needing small batches of formed metal parts. Thermoforming packaging solutions. The thermoforming packaging industry exceeds $50 billion globally, with small product makers struggling to find affordable custom packaging solutions. Your thermoforming setup uses vacuum forming machines to shape heated plastic sheets over molds, creating blister packs, trays, and protective packaging. Invest in a tabletop vacuum former, thermoplastic sheets, and mold-making materials like wood or 3D printed forms. Serve local artisans, electronics makers, and food producers needing professional packaging in small quantities. Create custom molds for unique product shapes, offering personalized packaging solutions that help small businesses compete with larger competitors. Glass Fusing Studio. The art glass market reached $6.8 billion in 2024, with fused glass items commanding premium prices for their unique beauty and craftsmanship. Your glass fusing studio requires an electric kiln capable of reaching 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, compatible art glass, cutting tools, and safety equipment. Create jewelry, decorative plates, sun catchers, and artistic tiles by layering colored glass pieces and fusing them in controlled heating cycles. Each piece is unique, appealing to customers seeking one-of-a-kind decor and gifts. Market through art fairs, galleries, and online platforms where handcrafted items sell for substantial premiums. Offer custom work and seasonal items to build a loyal customer base appreciating artistic glass creations. Ceramic 3D printing services. Ceramic 3D printing combines cutting-edge technology with traditional pottery, serving a rapidly growing market expanding nearly 30% annually. Your setup includes a ceramic 3D printer, clay materials, and traditional kiln firing equipment. create intricate vases, architectural tiles, custom dinnerware, and sculptural objects impossible to achieve by hand.
This technology appeals to architects needing custom tiles, artists seeking complex geometries, and consumers wanting personalized ceramic items. The process involves printing with clay paste, slow drying to prevent cracking, then firing to achieve final hardness and durability. Market to design professionals, artists, and affluent consumers seeking unique ceramic pieces that showcase modern manufacturing capabilities. Traditional pottery workshop. Handcrafted pottery never goes out of style, with consumers increasingly preferring artisanal pieces over mass-produced ceramics for their homes and dining experiences. Your pottery workshop requires a potter's wheel, kiln, clay supplies, glazes, and basic forming tools. Create functional items like mugs, bowls, and planters alongside decorative pieces that showcase your artistic style. The production cycle involves throwing on the wheel, trimming, drying, bisque firing, glazing, and final firing, a process that takes weeks but produces lasting, valuable items. Focus on functional wear with food-safe glazes, emphasizing the handcrafted quality and uniqueness that mass production cannot replicate. Build customer relationships through craft fairs, online sales, and potentially pottery classes for additional revenue streams. Now, we have covered the 20 small factories ideas for your next business. If you found this video inspiring, please share it with your friend or family member who is craving to do something but wants to start small. And don't forget joining our free business community.